Hey, it's Unwatchable V here, and this is my probably first in the world connects car with convertible roof and suspension. Just is not very strong or good at all. And yeah, that's a bit of a waste of time. Anyway, it has fully functional doors. Just pop that off. Opens, shuts, lock. It's on both sides, can't you bother turn it around. It's got engine, well, a hood and a little fake V6 engine. Doesn't spin because that would take too much parts. It is very loosely based off a Mazda mx-5. It's got pull-up headlights. And yes, it's based on the first gen. Sorry about my bad camera, I'm a bit tired. And on the back, it's got a little boot. With a little boot in there that can hold things. That's a project. So yeah, I shot that. And the thing that you've been waiting for all of this time, the roof. Now it's very hard to do one-handed. I have done it once, but this is not going to be that once because it's all got caught up. Again, sorry about my bad camera angle, but I'm doing this one-handed. It's very fiddly. So it keeps trying to force itself back, but you need to force it forward. There we go. First one, and second one. Keep breaking that one little connection. This is not working very well. I'm going to try and take it like that. Now I've got both hands. Heck of a lot easier. So that's what it looks like with the roof up. My camera will focus. So yeah, back, convertible roof itself. How it works is basically I've got these in a chain, so it acts like the fabric. Yes, there's a hole there which isn't on the real thing, but hey, and then that's just all connected. Looks a bit fabricy, and yeah, this has been Watchable V. Goodbye.